Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix checking for update stuck or taking too long time in Windows 11. So first you're gonna search for troubleshoot settings. When you're here, you're gonna click on other troubleshooters and then run Windows Update. In here, you're gonna click I can do not install or install update and then yes, then wait for this to load. And then when this is done, hopefully it should have fixed your problem. If no, you can click on yes and talk to an agent, and this should also fix your problem. If that didn't work, you can also try to search for find and fix problems with Windows Update and open this. Then click on next and wait for this to load. And if it detects your problem, it will fix it. So this is how you fix checking for update stuck